Hello everyone. So today we will going to start a new chapter and the chapter name is diary writing. So in this chapter we will going to tell you about the way how to write the diary. So let's begin the chapter. Chapter 20 Composition Diary Writing. A diary is a personal account of thoughts, feelings and a brief description of special events that impressed or greatly. There are no hard and fast rules for writing a diary but some points should be kept in mind while writing a diary. डायरी राइटिंग एक डिस्क्रिप्शन होता है, ब्रीफ डिस्क्रिप्शन कि कोई भी ऐसा स्पेशल इवेंट जो आपका हुआ हो उसके बारे में आप डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हो या कोई भी ऐसी फंक्शन और समथिंग व्हिच इज ऐसी फीलिंग्स और थॉट्स दैट यू हैव टू राइट इन योर डायरी. सो देयर इज नो हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल्स. किसी भी डायरी को लिखने का कोई जरूरी रूल्स रेगुलेशंस नहीं होते, बट कुछ पॉइंट्स ऐसे होते हैं जब डायरी लिखो तो वी शुड कीप दोस पॉइंट्स इन आवर माइंड. द फर्स्ट इज डे एंड डेट मस्ट बी मेंशन्ड इन द बिगनिंग. तो जब भी आप डायरी लिख रहे हो, इफ यू राइटिंग द डायरी एट नाइट, सो यू शुड मेंशन द डे एंड डेट में होना चाहिए. सेकंड, सूटेबल हेडिंग शुड बी गिवन कि किस बारे में आप लिख रहे हो. सपोज इट इज इन अ फंक्शन held at your school or any kind of an event held, so we should mention that in heading. Then comes the content should be brief and without ambiguity. जो उसके contents होते हैं वो brief में होने चाहिए, उसमें ज्यादा लंबा detailed नहीं होना चाहिए. And the signature of the writer should appear at the end. And the last जो लिख रहा है उसके signature. So given below there are two extracts to give you an idea of how a diary is written. तो कैसे लिखा जाता है, इन्होंने एक example दे रखा है how you have to write a diary. This is a diary they have adopted from a young girl. So पहले इन्होंने mention करा यहाँ पर day और date. Then they have started writing. The house is still trembling from after the effects of the quarrel. Everyone, they have mentioned the time also. Then you can start writing it. Everyone is angry with everyone else. Mother and I by Mr. Wandan and father, mother and dad. Terrific atmosphere, don't you think? Our food is terrible. Breakfast consists of plain and buttered bread and Sart's coffee. For the last 2 weeks, lunch has been either spinach or cooked lettuce with huge potatoes that have rotten sweet taste. If you are trying to slim this, then you can write the name and you can do the signatures. The same example they have given here. They have mentioned the day also, date also, and the time. So it should be the time maybe 9, 9:30, 10, 10:30, 11. So it can be there. And the day you are writing, you should mention the day and date. It is mandatory. And at the last, again, name and you can do the signature. This is a worksheet. You have to write a diary entries on the following topics they have given. Like the first is the day you fought with your best friend. So he has given you आपका best friend कौन है, who is your best friend, what you especially like about your friend, what happened that day to cause a fight, brief description of the fight, how you felt after the fight, whether you have made up with your friend or not, still angry, or your final thoughts and feelings. So similarly, the same, they have given the questions and they have told the format. That format has to be followed while writing a diary. These are the points which will help you in writing out the diary. And also there is a question, write a diary entry in how you celebrate your birthday. When you write in a diary, remember to first write the day, then date and time you should mention. And write as if you are talking to the diary. Like when you we going to write the diary, you should write it the way as if we are telling something to somebody. हम किसी को कुछ बता रहे होते, similarly we just write everything in diary as if we are talking to it. Begin your writing with dear diary or write about all the things that you did on the particular day. You should mention these. So I hope you all have understood the format of diary writing. So you all can go through it and do the exercise yourself. With the next chapter. Then bye bye. Take care.